Yeah, hi, welcome to this video, and this is the second part, which is part 2 of my video series on how to make money as a teen. On these videos, I'm actually showing you step by step how you can start building your own online business. And so if you haven't watched video 1 yet, then obviously stop this video right now. In fact, basically look at the link here, which will take you back to video 1. Also, I'll put a link in the description below here to take you back to video 1 to watch that one first. Otherwise, this video won't make any sense whatsoever, because this is a continuation of that. So if you're looking for an income stream which basically requires no skills, no upfront costs, no stock or anything like that, but you can earn commissions on a daily, monthly and yearly basis, then make sure you obviously tune in to the first video, and also then watch this video, which will then take you through even more in detail of what we're actually going to talk about. Okay, so let's get down to the video of today. Now, if you watched the first video, you've obviously made sure you obviously got your niche sorted. You've found some products that we need to actually locate, and obviously ways of promoting those products. So which should get your business up and running, and could get your business up and running, no problem. But in this video, I'm actually going to extend that even more, which makes it even easier, and will make it, turn it into an automated business as well. And that's by creating an email list. Okay, so build an email list full of people that are interested in what you are promoting. And then obviously once you build that email list, you will then be able to email them automatically over and over again, plus with other offers and similar products and services that they may be interested in. So not only do you make possible commissions on the first product, but you can actually integrate other products as well in the future that obviously they would be interested in, that you could earn money from as well. As I promised, I'm going to show you a software which is absolutely free to begin with. It's not going to cost you a penny to get started, where you're going to be able to collect email addresses. And I'm also going to show you where you can go and create what we call bridge pages, landing pages, squeeze pages, all those sort of pages, which will help build your actual business. Now, with a lot of the affiliate offers, sometimes wherever you promote, so if you promote on Facebook or you promote in forums and that sort of thing, they don't allow you to actually link directly to a offer. So what you'd have to do is put what we call a bridge page in between. And with that bridge page, you can use that to then collect someone's email and then send them on to the actual page that you were originally going to send them on, which the product or service is on. So let's go over to the desktop, and we'll just very quickly go through what that company is that you can actually start with for free, and also how you can then easily add in emails and also build landing pages, etc., just by using this system. Okay, so the actual software company and website I'm going to be showing you is called Aweber. And as you can see here, you can go on to aweber.com. I'll put a link in the description below here, and I'll also put another video on the end of this video, which will then dive into more detail. So don't panic if you don't get this right, because I'm only going to go through this very quickly on this video. But I'll actually put a link to a more detailed video that will help you walk through this and to be able to set it all up. Now remember, this is going to create your business. You can actually make more money more quickly, and also it's going to create a passive income where it's going to actually create income on autopilot for you. So as you can see here, Aweber, it says get email marketing, landing pages, web push notifications, all those sort of things. And you can sign up free today. Okay, so all you do is come to the link below, aweber.com, and click on get Aweber free. Sign up for a free account. Now this free account is free forever. Okay, it's until you actually hit over 500 subscribers, or if you are sending more than 3,000 emails a month. So you're more likely going to hit the 500 subscribers before you do anything else. Now, once you hit that, obviously the pricing obviously goes up and you do have to start paying for it. But by then, if you've got 500 subscribers, you should be making maybe a couple of $100 per month through your business. And the pricing for this is only $19 a month. So it's well within your budget for obviously spending and then building it even further. So once we're inside, I'll jump inside and I'll show you exactly how it works. Okay, so we've come to my Aweber dashboard here. You've got various lists that you can actually create. On the free account, you can only create one list, but to begin with, that's all you're going to need. So you create your list, okay, and then from that, your list would be up here, and then you can go and create messages, sign up forms, landing pages, all those sort of things. So if you look down on the, for argument's sake, we've got my traffic domination free actual list here. So I can click on messages, and this will bring up all the messages I have in this actual list to do with this list. Okay, so this is the drafts. So if we look at the follow-up series, so this is where it becomes automated, guys. When you set it up, you can then create loads of emails that will actually go out on autopilot. So as you can see here, I've got quite a few emails that go out once people sign up for this actual list. And as you can see, I've got 7 emails that go out straight away. And then I can add more emails if I wanted, or I can do what they call a broadcast, which basically means I can send that out whenever I want to all of my lists. So if you end up building your business, if you've got loads of lists, you could send a broadcast to all of them. Okay, so it's very, very easy how you do this, guys. And like I say, I'm going to put a video at the end of this one, which will go into details of how you can actually go and start creating these emails, how you can then create a list, all those sort of things on the video right at the end of this. So stay tuned right to the very end and watch that video as well. And remember, even if you're not a teenager and you've got your own business or your own online business and you need to go into email marketing, this is free to start with, guys. It's going to cost you absolutely nothing. If you've already got a list and you want to transfer that list across to Aweber, one, it will cost you nothing to do that. But 2, obviously, you might have to start paying straight away if your list is already over 1,000 subscribers. So once you've done that, you've started to set up your emails already. Like I say, you might need what they call a landing page. On here, they have their own landing pages built in. Now you can use things like ClickFunnels to build lists and landing pages. You could also have a WordPress blog and then actually do different landing pages from that. So, but with Aweber, the landing pages come free with the actual software. So you might as well use it as a free account to begin with to get your business up and running. Now you can create as many landing pages as you like that actually would then go to that particular list. So let's just click on create landing page and just show you what they're all about. And as you can see here, let's just preview this one just to see. So we open that up, and as you can see, this is very similar to what you see on the internet all the time. It's like you can have an image here, and all of this, guys, is totally editable as well. So all you have to do is come back into the templates here and actually choose it. So once you choose that one, it will then open it up in the editor, and as you can see, you can click on this and you can add stuff in here. You can change the wording, you can pull different images in, you can add images, videos, text, buttons, forms. Now your form is what's actually going to be an opt-in form that will be associated with this particular list. And again, that's how easy it is, guys, to actually create. Now this one hasn't actually got a list, it's just got a buy now button, but you could very, very easily, in fact, it has got a list right at the bottom there, but you could create something more simpler, which then obviously just will get people to sign up. So what you want to do also is when you are actually looking for products, so if we went back to ClickBank, Okay, so I've come back into ClickBank, which is a site that I talk about in the first video if you haven't gone and watched that yet. I've clicked on Marketplace and I've come to the self-help category here, and as you can see, there's a few products and services here, but also within the description of the product, you will see here it says affiliate page, and quite a few of them have got a link to an affiliate page. Okay, so if you just click on the affiliate page, open it in a new tab, and as you can see, this will give you loads of different promotional emails, banners, links, product reviews, all those sort of things that you can use to actually promote this product. So they make it super simple for you to actually go and do this. So you've got sample emails here, you've got promotional links, customer reports, a product review. It tells you the different hooks and angles that you can actually use to get into this product. And that would be good because you could use an actual different landing page for each hook that they want you to do. And you can try which one actually is a better angle. So as you can see, guys, this is super simple to actually do. This will enhance your business totally because you will actually get more sign-ups. You'll build an email list, and then with that email list, because people might come to your actual landing page, so your offer, and then just disappear and you'll never see them again. By creating an email list, you have then got their name and their email, and then you can actually go and email them like say other offers that you can remind them about different things, plus certain products will have then an updated product or something new added to the actual system, and then you can email them out, which again will pull them back to the product, and so you've got more chance of getting sales for your business. And remember, in the first video, obviously I show you where you can actually go and get your first $20, guys. So if you haven't already, check out the link in the description, which is my #1 recommendation, which will take you to this page here. Pop your email in. You'll then be able to go and sign up for the OLSP system, which gives you loads and loads of training. You'll hit the boot camp first, go through the boot camp, which is about 15 videos, about an hour long. You'll then receive $20 just for doing that. And then the boot camp obviously opens up all these other tabs where you've obviously got the other training units here. And as you can see, I've earned with the OLSP system $500 already just for them referring people back to the Facebook page and to the system to actually go and earn their $20. So again, this is something you could add in, and actually it's a great way of earning some income as well as you're building your business at the same time. Okay, I trust you found that interesting and useful. If you did, give us the big thumbs up under the video. Again, any questions you have, obviously drop them in the comments below, and I'll certainly try and help you out there. Also, if you haven't already and you've watched this one right the way through to the end, obviously I'll put a link to the first video here, and also I'll put a link to the other video, which is all about the Aweber email marketing and how you actually set it up. And that's a more detailed video, which you can actually go and check out right here. Okay, so if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel right now. Hit that notification bell and you'll get notified every time we make new videos. So that's it for today. We will see you on the next video. Bye for now.